guys, before I make this message, and today is Mario Day. So happy Mario Day to all you gamers out there here on YouTube. So it is March 10th. March 10th is Mario Day. So hope you guys enjoy it. And hello everyone, JPGRA here, and I am so excited because I finally got my package and it's already now available. The game called Super Mario 3D World plus Bowser Theory, and I got the two Amiibos right here. Captain Mario and Captain Peach. The reason why I got this late because the Amazon lost my package last Friday when I already like pre-ordered like last month on the 14th in January, and last Friday already looking at my email on my phone, and it says from Amazon, I'm sorry that your package is completely lost because of the bad weather. So I'll show you that. I'll show you right now because it's snowing. You see, guys, it's snowing outside. Yeah, I just don't like the snow. I don't like too much snow and all. So yeah, it's gonna be gone pretty soon. Coming up this Sunday, so just want to let you know. Alright, let's start doing the unboxing right now. So let's get started. Alright, let's get started. There we go. I'm just holding the camera, sorry about that. You see here in the back, Bowser Fury, not bad. So let's open it. Whoa, check that out. Yep, that's Bowser Fury, that's Bowser right there. Giant Giga Bowser. There's his son, Bowser Jr., and there's Mario. Yep, there's no manual in the case, just in the game, just the game in there. So that's cool. Okay, let's unbox the Captain Peach. See in the back for the items and all, receiving power-ups and all. It's Captain Peach. So yeah, I'm ready. Hello, Rally right here. Sorry about that, the camera. Let you know. Transferring to the invisible cat like cat. And there he is, ladies and gentlemen. There's Cat Mario. And there's Cat Peach right here. And there you go. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'd like to thank everyone to check out my channel. I hope you guys enjoy it. And if y'all like it, please leave a comment below. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and for more stuff and all. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. This is JPGRA saying there's awesome. Peace. Bye bye.